Hello students, today we are going to begin our first chapter for class 2, Computer and Electronic Machine. Machine. Why do we have machine around us? We have machines around us because they make our work easy. They are very useful to us in our day-to-day lives. Let us have a look at some of these machines that we have around us. The bicycle, sieving machine, the hand mixer, all these machines need human energy to work. We also have machines that are run by gas, petrol and diesel. For example, the vehicles, the generator, all these machines run on gas, petrol and diesel. Some machines are driven with the help of electricity. These machines are the oven, the mixer grinder and the washing machine. Similarly, we also have a machine that works on electricity. It does many different work. This machine is called as a computer. This machine is an electronic machine which is used for calculation. This machine can perform calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication. They can also compare values and do many other work. This machine, a computer, performs various functions like input data, that is the data that we give to the computer through the keyboard or a mouse. This data is processed by the CPU. Once it has been processed, the output is given as an information or the result. This output is also stored in the computer in its memory. So these are few of the functions that a computer can perform. IPO cycle. IPO stands for input, process and output. The input that we give to the computer is the data, the text and the numbers. Once you input it, it goes to the CPU for processing. Once the data has been processed, the output that we get is the information or the result. This output is given by the output devices like the monitor, the printer or the speaker. We also have a storage unit that stores data in the computer. Input. Input is the data that is given to the computer. We give data through keyboard, mouse and even a microphone. Processing. The data that is given to the computer through input devices are being processed in the CPU. Just like our brain takes decision for us, the same way CPU also takes decision for the computer. The processed data is then given out by the output devices. These output devices are the monitor, the printer and the speaker. The storage units for the computer are the CD, hard disk and the pen drive. We can store data or information on these devices. Computer versus a man. Computer is a man-made object, whereas a man is made by God. Computer cannot talk or share its emotions. We can talk or share our emotions to each other. Computer uses input devices to enter data. A human being takes in data through our sense organs like our nose, eyes, ears. Computer is a very fast machine and it does not get tired. But a man, after working for a little while, can get tired. Computer has many advantages. Let us have a look at few of these. Speed. Computer is a very fast calculating machine. It does calculations in no time. It can perform millions of calculations in few seconds. So you see, computer is a very fast calculating machine. Accuracy. Computer cannot make mistakes. It is 100% accurate. The calculations done by a computer are without errors. Multimedia. We can play games, we can watch movies, we can record our voice, and we can do many different things on the computer. The storage capacity of a computer is much bigger than that of a human being. Computer can store a lot of data. The storage capacity is measured in terms of MB, that is megabyte, kilobyte, gigabyte, and so on. Computers are also used in teaching and learning. We use computers in school to learn different subjects. Teachers use computers for making their notes, for teaching. Let us see a few of the disadvantages of using a computer. Printing a large amount of data can result in wastage of paper. This leads to cutting down of more and more trees, which affects our environment. It affects our health in various ways. If we use computer for a longer time, sitting in one position, we can strain our eyes, we can get back problems. It can also cause headache. Computers can also fall sick, just like human beings. This happens through a virus. A virus enters in the computer through a pen drive or a CD. Cybercrime. When you misbehave while using internet, this is termed as a cybercrime. For example, posting unwanted pictures or messages on the social media, sending unwanted text or emails to others, breaking the passwords, all this comes under cybercrime. So computers have its own advantages and disadvantages too. Thank you.